properly.
I'm not retiring, but this piece is retiring. They're going to have to throw my tall behind out of here is what they're going to have to do. I'm going to tell you right now, Lisa Lasorte is back with us. I almost called you Lisa Gleason. Lisa Lasorte is back with us.
Yes.
And Lisa's been with Temp-Tations for 18 years.
Yes.
You've been on QVC for 20
Can you believe that?
years.
I
You've
know.
been there almost the whole time.
I know.
How about that?
I know. And I'm only like 27?
Seven. You were a child prodigy when you started.
Something like that?
Tara Tesher discovered her in the playpen. Yes, she did.
Exactly.
She's watching right now and she's laughing. All right.
Yes, she is.
Can I tell you that this is America's favorite size baker?
I
This
know.
is the 9 by 13, right?
Yeah, single most requested baker in the kitchen.
Now, we have it with the plastic storage cover.
We do.
And don't for a second discount that plastic storage cover.
Oh, no.
Hot out of the oven, that can go right on top.
It can go right on there, so no more foils, no more plastic wraps, nothing like that.
Shall
Perfection.
we go through colors? I'll come on this side.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's begin here with Old World. Now, this is all at a clearance price, $23.10. This is not going to be reordered.
No.
So
It's going
what
away.
you see is what you get, and you want to get yours before it's gone. This is stoneware. Hear that? This is stoneware, and this one is, I believe, the taupe.
Yeah,
yes?
that's the taupe, yep.
This is the Old World taupe. This is Old World green. When Temp-Tations first came to QVC, it was all solid colors. The first pattern was this one.
That's right.
Green.
Absolutely gorgeous.
This is the gray. Another bestseller in Old World is the blue.
Love.
Here's something you don't see very often,
Eggplant. And that's what's sold out in the soup and sandwich.
And you know what? We have 36 left.
That's it.
And that's all.
Forever.
And never going to be
reordered. It will
reordered.
become a collectible piece.
You want to get this before it's gone.
Yeah,
I have
you do.
36 of them left, probably less than that now. Then the woodland. This looks like tree bark.
Look
Okay.
how gorgeous this is. Beautiful solid, right?
So this is the slate blue. You've got the gray.
Look how beautiful this is. The wood grain texture, helper handles on the side. Like this isn't your 13 by 9, metal. This is stoneware.
This is taupe. There's that wood grain.
How gorgeous that is, David. And textured.
And this next color?
Okay, I don't know how it's still here.
It's already last call.
Oh, is it?
I have fewer than 100 left in white.
Oh, absolutely gorgeous. When you think about your quintessential 13 by 9 baker, this is where you want to start.
And you get the plastic storage cover and these little handles.
It's amazing.
These are beautiful.
Exactly.
Please don't miss this. If you want that white, I'm going to tell you right now. Where's the camera? Get that white before it's gone. It's going to go. And when it's gone for good. Oh, it just sold out. All right. Now it's gone.
And it just sold out.
Thank you, Teresa.
And David, when you think about everything from doing your chicken pot pies, right, to your
I'm sorry,
lasagnas.
Lisa, excuse me.
What happened?
Eggplant is gone.
Oh.
All right.
And there we go.
And
All right.
we're off.
And why do you need a 13 by 9 baker? Because every cake mix, every lasagna, every deep dish recipe, it calls for
mac and cheese.
13 by 9. A mac and cheese.
Oh, did someone say mac and cheese?
Did someone say mac and cheese?
I think mac and cheese would be good.
Look how gorgeous this is. When we talk about serving a crowd right here, this is the baker that you need. All the recipe books call for it. I love that we have it in woodland, that beautiful solid. We are retiring this piece. So what we have is what we have. So
I'm putting on my oven gloves whether I need them or not.
okay, you are.
Yes.
Can you talk about this while I actually run to the oven?
Of course. Look at this beautiful
I'll
cake.
be right back.
This cake is
Temp-Tations.
decorated like Temp-Tations. Isn't this fun? So don't miss out on this. You only have one flower left to draw on here and then you're done. Maybe two. But look how pretty this is. Look how gorgeous and how big and how useful. We've got an autumn salad down here. This could be tofu. It's feta cheese, but could be tofu if you wanted to add a little extra protein to that.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right.
Might be a nice smart swap for chicken.
I love that.
Yeah?
Yeah, everything from cakes to salads to cinnamon rolls to like our big roasts over here in hams.
Is that lasagna?
This is lasagna, which I know you love to make, right?
I do love
But this is
to
what
make
we're
lasagna.
talking about right out of the oven. Plop this right on here, super duper easy. The plastic snap-on storage cover. Now, a couple things about this. It's going to keep the heat in. I
And
can
there are the
take
gloves.
it on the go.
You know what? Those are the Happy Dance gloves from In the Kitchen with David. These are the Temp-Tations gloves.
Ah.
But no matter who you like or what you buy, just search oven gloves on QVC. You'll find them.
Love this. Look at the depth on this, just about 3 inches. This set is going, so if you can swing it and you can pick up a few, David, this is what you use for every day, but you use it for the holidays especially, right?
Let me update you now that in this show alone, we've taken orders for over 2,000 are gone.
Wow.
I have another 1,500 people on the phone line. Shall we go through colors again?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Let me hop on this side of the table.
All right.
All right, so we have this in Old World taupe. Look how pretty this is.
Gorgeous.
And
great
gorgeous
neutral.
on the inside.
Great gift. Great for yourself.
I just noticed the handles are different on the old world. They're solid here.
They are.
But they're open on the woodland.
That's what I love. Tara doesn't
Interesting.
just put the same handle on everything because that's easy. No, it's designed for the piece.
Here's the green.
Isn't that
Gorgeous.
stunning? That's the OG
I have
right there.
300 left
That's
in this
it?
green.
That, for nostalgia's sake, you have to get the green.
OG is true. I remember doing the first Temptation show with Tara, and
You
all the
do?
pieces were in rattan baskets, and they were all solid colors.
Yes.
I remember that.
Hunter green, mauve.
I remember it like it was yesterday. All right, and then here is the gray.
Look how beautiful.
Beautiful neutral. We have more and more people doing grays in their kitchen.
Yes.
Stainless steel appliances.
Love gray.
Lovely. You know what we just sold out of? Blue.
Oh, okay, got it.
Blue is gone.
And
So
then
let
we
me
have
hand
the
off blue.
woodland, and here's that slate blue. Think of this for the Easter holidays, for spring with that periwinkle right there. Look at the gorgeous engraved wood design right there. There's the handles.
400 left, and then they're gone.
For posterity.
Ooh.
It's a big word.
Here's the woodland gray, and there's that wood grain. I have 200 left here.
Wow.
And then if you want the woodland taupe,
Again.
I have 300 remaining.
It's like a deep beige color. Absolutely stunning in the kitchen.
Nearly 3,000 of these are gone. You will get the plastic storage cover.
Look at that.
And I want you to pop this on right out of the oven if you need to.
Yeah,
You're
no
traveling
worries
with
at
it?
all. Both oven safe to 500 degrees on the baker, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe, dishwasher safe.
We are very, very busy. In fact, now for the show, how many are gone? Over 3,000 are gone. I have another 1,000 people on the phone lines, and this item will not be reordered as a single. So please get yours now while you
Yeah.
can. Lisa Lasorte,
Hey,
a
so
pleasure,
great to
friend.
see you.
Nice to have you back with us.
Yes.
Tara's with us on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Looking forward to that.
Something brand new.
It is great to have you
Cool.
here.
You too, my friend.
Thank you, friend. All right, we're gonna make our way over and we're gonna talk about green pan. And this is a ceramic non-stick. Chef Jeremy Parker is joining us, and we're gonna begin with some